Hey everyone, my name is Brent and this is Live Free in Toulon. Today we are taking a look at the Olight Arkfeld Ultra. This is by far one of the best, if not the best flashlight, at least the best multi-use flashlight I have ever used. Now this is from a brand called Olight who just continues to innovate, do really great things for a really good value, and that's what we're going to check out today. Now, as you can see, this is a very small flashlight, but it does three distinct things. First, it has a really super bright light, as you can see right there. We have three different settings, so let's just see here. Low, medium, high. And if we go on the high setting, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but it is 1400 lumens. Now that is absolutely insane from a small light such as this. Now then, the next thing that it has is a super strong laser. Remember, boys and girls, do not shine a laser in anyone's eyes, especially this laser. This laser, it may be hard to see, but this laser can go extremely far. And let's see if I can actually show you. If you take a look at the tops, the very tops of the trees, you can see the laser. Is that not absolutely amazing? Check that out. Now, this may be way too far to see. Maybe, I think you can see it in the very tops of those trees. That's well over 1,000 feet away. Having a laser isn't the only trick that this has. Now, being the fact that it has three different levels of lighting and it has a laser, but it has one more thing. That's actually an ultraviolet light. Now, you can use ultraviolet lights for a lot of different things, but if you're a hunter, it does one thing very good, and that is if you hit an animal and you're tracking the animal, you know that it's really hard to find, fluids and different things like that. But if you have a black light, it'll make it stand out pretty pronounced, and it'll make things that may be naked to the, visible eye, well, it'll be visible and it won't be naked. But let me demonstrate that really quick, and hopefully you can see it on camera. So all you do is you're just going to flip it this way, pop, and then you're just going to turn it on and let's go hunting. Now if we take a look right here, you are not going to be able to see anything at all, but let's turn on the black light. And right there, look, it's starting to show up. See those two dots? You can't see it with this light, but you turn on this black light and you can start to see the trail. Oh, there's more. Turn on the regular light, nothing there. Black light, you can start to see where it starts to stand out. Now that's pretty incredible if you ask me, right? There it is again, you can see it. Just keep hunting. Oh, there's another one, you can see that. And then we have more fluids over here. And this does a great job. Look at this. This is kind of hard to see right through here, but if you look in the grass, you're going to be able to see it. It's hard to see on camera. With your eyes, it's a lot easier. But with all that being said, yep, there's some right there. And let's turn on the light. You can't see it. And now you can see it. Is that not absolutely incredible? What I would like to do is just show you what this light can do. I know it's really bright, but see if I can get it a little cross light here. This is on low. Let's see what it looks like over here. This is on low. This is on medium. As you can see, this is on medium now. And look at this. Look how incredible that looks. 1400 lumens. This is absolutely insane for such a small light. I'm lighting up the tops of the trees. minimum, it's 100 feet away easy, and I can see clear as day. One of the things that I want to point out is the clip, the bill clip for a hat. Now how this works, it's very simple. You just take it, you latch it onto your bill, and you press, and you can see that's all it is right there. That's how it connects. I think all clips should be this way, but that's not all that it actually does. You know, we take this off, and it has a regular clip for your pocket. So this is a great everyday carry type of device, which this now lives in my bag, and I may actually buy a couple of these. I'm just so happy with it. Now, one of the things I also wanted to point out is on the side right here, it does have grips. So if you listen, it is really grippy, and they did that on purpose. Now, I just can't get over the color. Check out this color. The color that they did out of this all metal body is crazy good. Now, it is water rated. You're not going to hurt it in the rain or anything like that. This little light is where it's at. This is the best light I've ever seen, from just pointing things out on a laser to tracking an animal to looking at those specialized things. But just the flashlight alone is enough to get one of these flashlights. I'm just so impressed with it. I don't really know what to say. The form, the fit, the packaging. And I think we need to actually take a minute to point out the packaging and just how good the packaging is for this. This is what you should expect when you purchase the Arkfeld Ultra by Olight. Great packaging. The display of it, how it looks, is awesome in the box as well. If we pull this out, you can tell it fits right in your hand. This is a great looking, great feeling multi-use flashlight. Look at this. That's awesome. But if we take a look at the packaging, you actually do get a medallion that's sat right down in here. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and pull this out right here. We'll pull this out. We'll push this up. Look at that. That's how awesome this is. No other flashlight's going to give you a medallion. This thing's awesome. Look how big it is. That's great. Put that back in here. You just follow the directions. You pull this out, and look at that. Read me, it gives you directions right in the bottom. But if you take a look here, it shows you everything that you need to. Your direction manual right through here, and this is really good stuff. You should read this always. And then you have your charging cable. Now the charging for these lights are actually magnetic, and they work so well, but don't forget your safety warnings. Make sure you read those. But we're going to take this off, and all you do is you plug in this USB-A. It does come with a great protector here. You can see that there. And all this does, as you can see on the bottom, it just clicks. And it actually just does it on its own there. Do you see that? It pulls it right to it, so it's got some really good, strong magnetics going on. Oh man, look at the engravings, look at the casting on this. This thing is just great, and it has a cap loop right here, so you can put it on the front of your cap. Just look at the quality. This thing's awesome. Can you believe how good the packaging was for this? It's like an iPhone, a little bit better, in some cases the iPhone is, but this is awesome. And they give you the cool medallion. What are you going to do with that? You're going to sport it. You're going to put it up somewhere, because that's how much this means to Olight. This is the Arkfeld Ultra, and it's the best one that I have used. Now, if you all are interested in this, go down below. I endorse this 100%. I think this is a fantastic tool. But go do your own research. Go down, check out the link below. You also get to see some of the other cool colors that you have available for this, and let me know what you think. Is it worth it? Is it not? Now remember, it's all metal. It has a magnetic charging base. The battery lasts for a super long time. It has 2 different styles of clips. It has 3 different modes and 3 different levels during those modes. So you got to look out for that too. My name is Brent. This has been Live Free in Toulon with another tool review. I hope that you all get out there, you try something new, you make your mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and pass on the solutions to the next generation. And I promise you, we will all be better for it at the end of the day. And until next time, get out there. Can't wait to see you again.